Hello YouTube, and today I have a bracelet making tutorial slash how-to for you. So anyways, we're going to be making the spiral one with like the bump things. I think it's just called actually a spiral friendship bracelet, so yeah, that's a little bit better, so can you kind of understand. So anyways, what you're going to need is scissors to obviously cut the string, a measuring tape to measure the string, like how long you wanted. And I already cut one. I might have to cut another one. And then I have one that I've been working on. This is what I'm going to show you how to on. You can measure, depending on your wrist size, 24 inches for the length, or longer or shorter. So yeah, so I kind of started this one already. So first thing you're going to do after you cut it, you're going to tie a knot, just like any sort of knot. If you watched, I think How to Make a Fishtail Friendship Bracelet, I show you like what type of knot you can tie to start out with. So, okay, once you have your first knot tied, then very first knot, like the one before you even make the bracelet, you can also use tape if that will make this easier for you, or a clipboard or whatever to clip that part down. So what you are going to do is take the first color that you want to start with, obviously. I'm going to zoom this in real quick for you, so you can kind of see what I'm doing better. I'm going to readjust the camera for you so you can see what I'm doing. I think that, so you can see this better, hopefully. Okay, so that looks better. So you're going to make a number 4, or something that looks like a 4. As you can see, it kind of looks like a 4. Then so you got number 4 made. Kind of looks like a 4. Then you're going to pull it underneath, and then pull it all the way up tight. So then you're just going to repeat that step with the first color until you get it to about however big you want the little, like this thing, I'm not sure what it's called, like till you get this first part however big you want it. So get that part however big you want it. Then you can take another one. Okay, let's say I want to do the purple next, and then you can repeat. So you're going to take the purple, make a number 4, make a number 4, and pull through. I'm sorry, I didn't show that one very goodly. And pull tight. So make a number 4, pull through this hole, and then pull tight all the way up. And then just repeat that. So we're going to do a few more. So you can also do it on the other side, and it's just going to switch what side the spiral is on, and like kind of make it look a little bit different if you want. So we're going to make the number 4 now from the other side, just to kind of show you guys. I mean, I don't really care on this bracelet, so you're going to make the number 4 now. You can always switch. You don't have to switch the side. You can do the same side. So you can make the number 4 from the opposite side. Then you go under and then pull through. Doesn't matter, or you can switch it up, and that's just going to give you a little bit of a different look, so you can kind of see what it looks like so far. I'm just going to keep doing that until you decide. I mean, you can do the same way the whole bracelet or not. It just depends on what you want. So you're just going to keep doing that. So it doesn't matter which side. We can also go back to the other side if you want it all on one side. And then just make the 4, go under, pull through. Make a number 4, and go underneath the other 2 strings and pull through. Make a number 4, underneath both strings, pull all the way up tight. Make sure it's tight, because then it won't let the other one's underneath. See, that's through. So you can kind of see what the difference looks like if you do it like that. So you can kind of, 1 second. So you can kind of see what the difference looks like. if you do it like that compared to not. So I hope I'm showing you this okay. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you do not already for more bracelet making tutorials and other stuff too. Okay, then let's say I have that where I want it. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the blue and do the exact same thing and repeat. So I'm going to make the number 4 go underneath both. And then, so I'm going to pull that tight because that wasn't that tight. Then pull this tight completely. And you can always push it up some if it's not tight enough. Like if you want them to touch together, you can always push them up some. So I'm going to go 4, pull, make it 4, underneath the other 2 colors. So I'm using blue right now, if that would help you. Maybe. Okay. Underneath the other 2 colors, pull tight, and pull all the way up to meet the purple. So, if that makes sense, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to do this a couple more times, and hopefully you can understand. 4, make it number 4, go underneath, pull through. 4, underneath, both the colors, pull through. I mean, it doesn't matter which way you make your number 4, it can go either way, and it's just going to be like a spiral with like little like bumps, and it actually looks pretty cool. Okay, so, yeah. So here's what it looks like so far. Sorry, my phone I just got text. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day. So you're gonna pull that tight, see how that wasn't? And then you're just gonna pull that completely tight. See how that's kind of not pulled tight? You can always push it up a little bit and then like kind of adjust it some. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and have a great day. Thank you guys so much for watching this. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I think that's it for this video. See ya. Have a great day.